Hello students, this is your teacher Celeste Diaz-Lara, and we're going to go over global climate change and effect on us. Before we get started with the lesson, I have a question you can discuss among yourselves. Why is global climate change important? Okay class, now let's take a moment to discuss your thoughts. What were they? What were the most common thoughts you had with your classmates? Please share. To know about climate change, scientists need to have records and patterns of the weather from different times and areas. That way they can predict the future kind of weather we will have. You can see on the screen that there is different predictions from NOAAclimatechange.org. What are things that could affect our global climate change? Well, there are two main things: human activities and natural phenomena. Human activities are activities that we as humans can control, and natural phenomena are things that happen within nature that are uncontrollable. What is a natural phenomenon? It is a noun vocabulary word you will need to use, so take note. It is described as not artificial or any process or state done through senses, not by intuition or reasoning. So what can happen with natural phenomena? Well, climate change can be driven by natural phenomena, which increases the frequency of severe storms, increases atmospheric carbon, and increases ocean warming, which isn't really good for our atmosphere. So what are the human activities that can affect climate change? Do any of you have any explanations that can prove that we affect our climate change and the environment around us, globally and locally? Okay, students, here are some human activities that can help us in predicting, building, and knowing our climate change and how to hopefully change it for the better. There's climate models that we use, or scientists use, and then there is also mathematical climate models and human records. Okay, students, we have come to the end of our presentation lesson today. I hope this has helped you to learn more about global climate change and how we can hopefully one day change it for the better.